Give thanks and praises to the Most High. Give thanks and praises for life. Today is another day, another blessed day. One love, one heart. Welcome to the Yard Life family. Blessings every time. Country life, real yard life. Yeah man, it's a blessed day we're upon about. Giving thanks as usual. Giving thanks for life. Yes man. Not like here in the countryside, you know. See life a manifest to be something great. Fruitful trees around. It's a blessed day. We get a whole heap of rain in the countryside, but there's a few things I really want to share with y'all. Yeah man, so let's stay tuned.
So make a yard life 101, you know. Activity I represent, you know. 101. You know what, Joe?
Yeah, my dear, Alex passed by, you know. It's a blessing to leave Jamaica on the block. I'm aware of the things that are happening in my country right now. 100%. But if I did forget up like everybody else and bash this and bash that and take up this and mash up that, we're not gonna fix things.
Yeah. So Jay, go on, man. Yeah, man. Big up, you know. Big up, you know.
Yard life, real country life, you know. Whole life fresh and naturally in back. It's a blessing. Morning. Yeah, mom. There in the countryside, they look dark this morning like we'll get a whole heap of rain. Yo, it's a blessing though. Out there for then. There, go on one tree. Try pull in back. You know this something though. It's a blessed day. That's what I said from before. Jamaica yard life, real yard life, you know. I have to love yard. Love it. Look at the place, it looks magnificent, beautiful. It's a blessed yard life up and about. I told you, yeah man, sometimes it's gonna be sweet, sometimes it's gonna be plain old yard, just typical yard. Yeah man, we need giving thanks to life as usual. The weather is on, so we can't really go outside as usual. But you know it's something go. As soon as it let up, you guys will be seeing everything. Blessings every time. Stay safe. One love.